Are you planning a trip to Istanbul and wondering how you'll get from the airport to your accommodation? Look no further. In this article, we'll cover everything you need to know about Istanbul airport transfers. First off, there are several options for airport transfers in Istanbul. You can choose to take a taxi, use a shuttle service, or book a private transfer in advance. Each option has its pros and cons, so it's important to consider your budget and preference before making a decision. If you decide to take a taxi, make sure to only use official taxis with meters to avoid scams. Shuttle services are a more affordable option, but they may take longer due to multiple stops. Private transfers offer convenience and comfort, but they can be more expensive. Overall, choosing the right airport transfer option in Istanbul depends on your needs and preferences. With a little research and planning, you can ensure a smooth and hassle-free start to your trip in this vibrant city.